Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and this is the 4th day of my vacation and I'm still working on the pool. It's not really weather to be in the pool now, but it's great weather to be working on it. So yeah, I thought I'd better bring you along so that you don't miss out on the pool action. So let's see where we are at. I have been out shopping. I bought some styrofoam and the idea is to put that in the bottom. I need quite a lot. These are 5 centimeters thick styrofoam, but it's not gonna, it might just be enough. It's gonna cover up until that the bottom of that pipe ish, and I think I could put in another layer, a couple of other centimeters. I have some in probably 3 centimeter styrofoams I have upstairs. So, but I put this piece of cloth, which is what's in there, just to protect the bottom. I did give it another layer. I emptied out another bag of this house painting concrete after you saw the last video. I did that in the video, but I did another one. So there is kind of 3 layers of stuff in the bottom, and I can walk on it. I'm not gonna jump on it because it has only had a few days to harden up, so I'm being very careful. And then when I have a layer of styrofoam, well, that is gonna distribute the weight, so that at that point I don't think there's a problem. But I'm gonna put the styrofoam down. I'm not gonna put it all the way. I need to see where I'm pointing. I'm not gonna put it all the way to the borders here because I want some concrete in the outside or something in there. So I'm gonna hopefully leave a little gap. I don't know how big, but probably a centimeter or 2. So yeah, working on this. So I'm going to be marking out this styrofoam so that it will fit, and I'm using the top here. It has the same angle, so I'm just kind of putting this in the middle, lining it up with this. I don't want to cut that one, so just making sure it's in the middle of that one. I'm starting with this corner because it's the most difficult one. It has the pipes in there, so that's going to be a lot of fun. So yeah, like that. We have a marker here. It's working. I'm gonna go downstairs. We're just gonna mark that. And I'm gonna cut that. Then I need to do some more cutting to make room for the pipe and stuff. But yeah, we'll do that later. First piece is down. It shouldn't have been that wide right there, but well, that happened. And there is a gap at the border, like I said that I would do, for putting in some well, tiling adhesive or concrete or something to strengthen the outside here that is needed. So yeah, first piece is in. I'm gonna continue. I think I'm missing a piece. I hope I have one upstairs. I think it's I thought that 4 would be enough, but apparently that's not going to be the case. Okay, so here we have the progress so far. I have taken the 4 big pieces that I purchased yesterday and put them around the borders here. I think I showed you that one. But yeah, I need to go figure out if I have a good piece for this. I have a lot of scrap, but yeah, putting that in them, I don't know. And the scrap pieces, I've had to put them in a box. They're too important and too busy to stay around to wait for me being ready to use them for anything. They, with the slightest breeze, they're all over the place. Woohoo! A piece of scrap has emerged from the upstairs. We are saved! I'm gonna place that. And with the I forgot a piece. With that piece of scrap, we are well, we have 50 millimeters of insulation in the bottom of the pool here. I am thinking that I'll mix up a batch of tiling adhesive and go around the border and fix that really nice. Might be tiling adhesive and a little bit of concrete. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, I've been working at it. Half a bucket of tiling adhesive with some concrete in it, cement, wasn't enough. I needed that little from here and over there. Where my finger over there is. There is. I need to mix up some more. That's a bloody shame. It's almost there. Okay, yeah. I forget where I filmed last, but I've completed the tiling adhesives / concrete around the corners here. I had some fiber drywall that I put down to sit on, and okay, battery died on me. Where did I get to? Well, I have a lot of this fiber drywall. Now that I had to go in and get another battery, I got another handful of fiber drywall, and this is not dissolvable in water or anything, so I'm thinking about putting a layer down there, just covering up as good as I can, and then put a thin layer of tiling adhesive on top of that, and then the next layer of styrofoam. I have checked, I have some 2mm up there. Oh, sorry about the wind. So I've been working on this. It has been a puzzle and all the different pieces that has been left over from multiple projects inside has been laid in here and try to find spots for them. So now I'm gonna go and mix up a very thin batch of tiling adhesive, and I'm gonna scoop this all over the place, and it's gonna look great again. I have mixed up a very thin batch. We need to have the scooper ready. Just gotta make sure that it's clean. So I'm gonna put this very thin batch down. Not sure that I've mixed up enough. Let's see how far we get. There's some of these holes that kind of take a lot. And over here there's bigger holes. I'm missing like a liter or something. I need some more. I'll mix some more. And we are ready with some more slurry here. I think we're gonna put it down anywhere. I had a shovel here somewhere. I haven't buried that. Looks like someone puked on the floor. This looks very much better. I did another batch, a couple of liters, maybe 3 liters, and now it's covering everything, and more importantly it's down between all of the fiber drywall thing here, so it should give me some more stability. And that fiber drywall is about 1.5 centimeters thick, and that's a lot of concrete stuff that I don't have to mix up and put down there. So, and I'm rid of those leftovers, and they're not gonna be dissolved down in the ground here. And yeah, I am gonna start spraying this with some fine water so that it doesn't dry up too fast. Otherwise it's gonna be bad. Some time ago I purchased some concrete, and it's called stolpebeton, tilsæt kundvand. It's concrete for putting in a pole in the ground, and you only have to add water. And I thought that I would mix up. I bought 3 bags. It was the only pre-mixed thing that you could buy in the store, so I thought, oh, we're just gonna try and use that, and I'm gonna try and use it for the upstairs here, this part here, and make that nice. I have when I cleaned the bucket, I have pulled some stuff down there to get it further down into, and I managed to make a mess of it. So yeah, that's always nice. So I'm gonna try and pull that concrete around, see how far one bag of 15 kilograms gets me. Okay, here it is. And don't. So yeah, I'm gonna scoop it in. Okay, that brought me just about halfway around, and I think it's deeper over here, so I'll need more over here. So it's a good thing that I bought 3 bags. I think I'm gonna have to use more or less all of them. So I didn't go all the way up. I'm gonna go over it again and bring it up flush with the top here. So okay, 2 bags brought me around so that I only miss this part, which is about 1 of these. It took a lot over here, so yeah, and I need to go around and make it flush. So I bought just enough. That's good. Took a lot of work, and all 3 bags, and I could even have used a scoop more here and there. Now I didn't expect that. I thought that I bought plenty. Same thing with the styrofoam. Well, I don't buy enough. That's too bad. But well, oh, I need to water that down. There's already cracks in it. Yeah, I've been busy doing this. It looks really good. I've cleaned it a little bit. I need something over here. It doesn't look good. It's way easier to take it off now than later, because it kind of sticks to the tiles. The sun is shining. But this is about where I'm gonna end this video. I have well, it's a few days later, and I think we'll just end the video with seeing how it looks now. I have been pouring water on it kind of every day, but it's very white. Well, you can see the water at the bottom there, so that's the low point. We need to change that. It needs to be there. That needs to be the low point, but this has turned out really well. That's really nice and solid, so that's cool. And yeah, this is gonna be marvelous. I put in an extra piece of drywall down there, so I'll have to remove that to get the pipes in, and I need to also start messing with the other pipe. But I'm kind of on my way on vacation, so very early tomorrow morning I'm leaving for Lisbon in Portugal, and I'm gonna be staying there for 12 days ish. Yeah, pretty much 12 days actually. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing a couple of videos at least from down there, just because that's something different. So you're coming with me on vacation-ish. I hope to meet up with some other YouTubers, some smaller ones, I guess, and maybe some larger ones, and have a look at Portugal. I have been watching a lot of videos about Portugal and well, this place called Castelo Branco, which I am told means White Castle, and I want to go down and check that out. So that's what I am doing. By the time that you're watching this video, I'm already there, if nothing went totally wrong, but well, I'm on my way at least. So if you follow me on my social media, Twitter, it's likely where I'll be posting the most, but also Patron. Patrons will be getting a update video. That will be tomorrow night, and at that time I will be in Portugal, so I'll be doing the Patron video from Portugal. I do hope that I have some Wi-Fi to upload that, but that's gonna be a problem for tomorrow. But thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.